Let's learn the different types of woodpeckers. Pileated woodpecker. The pileated woodpecker is one of the largest woodpeckers in North America. It has a striking bright red crest on its head. Its body is mostly black with white stripes on the face, and large white wing patches seen in flight. It makes large rectangular holes in trees, while searching for carpenter ants, its main food. Its loud call sounds like a laughing cook-cook-cook. Red-headed woodpecker. The red-headed woodpecker is a striking North American woodpecker, known for its bold colors and behavior. It has a bright red head, white body, and black wings with white patches, very easy to recognize. It's a beautiful and active species, well known for its strong drumming and bold personality. It eats insects, fruits, nuts, and is one of the few woodpeckers that stores food, often hiding nuts in tree cracks. Ladder-backed woodpecker. The ladder-backed woodpecker is a small, agile species of arid habitats. Named for the horizontal black and white barring on its back. It's often seen flitting among desert shrubs and trees in the southwestern United States and Mexico. Nests are built in dead limbs or cacti. Females lay 3 to 5 eggs. Both parents incubate and feed the young. Red-bellied woodpecker. Red-bellied woodpecker is a medium-sized bird. Males are distinguished by their bright red caps, while females have red only on their nape. They inhabit deciduous forests and suburban areas across the eastern U.S. The bird is omnivorous, feeding on insects, fruits, nuts, and occasionally small lizards. Nests are excavated in dead trees, and both parents care for 4 to 5 white eggs. Known for their loud, distinctive calls, and drumming behavior, they're agile foragers that cache food in tree crevices. Downy woodpecker. The downy woodpecker is the smallest woodpecker species in North America, but it is also one of the most widespread and familiar. With its checkered black and white appearance, and cheerful call, nesting cavities are excavated in dead trees or limbs. Females lay 3 to 6 eggs. Both parents share incubation and feeding duties. Hairy woodpecker. Hairy woodpecker is a 9 to 10 inch bird and weighs 1.4 to 3.4 ounces. It has black and white plumage with a white back stripe, and a red patch on males. Found in nature forests and suburban areas of North America, it primarily feeds on insects and visits suet feeders in winter. The bird excavates nests in dead trees, laying 3 to 6 eggs. Known for its sharp calls and loud drumming, it is non-migratory and utilizes a long tongue for extracting insects. Lewis's woodpecker. Lewis's woodpecker is a unique and colorful woodpecker that behaves more like a flycatcher than a typical tree-tapping bird. With its iridescent plumage and graceful aerial insect catching, it stands out both visually and behaviorally among North American woodpeckers. Nests in cavities in dead or decaying trees, often using old nest holes. The female lays 5 to 9 eggs. Both parents take part in incubation and chick rearing. Lineated woodpecker. The lineated woodpecker is a large, striking woodpecker found in forests and woodland areas of Central and South America. It has a bold black and white body, and a bright red crest on its head, making it easy to recognize. It makes loud drumming sounds on tree trunks, to communicate and mark its territory. The lineated woodpecker plays an important role in the ecosystem, by controlling insect populations, and creating holes that other animals later use for nesting. Acorn Woodpecker. Found in the western United States, especially California, and throughout parts of Central America. The acorn woodpecker is easily recognized by its clown-like face, red cap, and energetic social behavior. This species is famous for creating granaries, storing thousands of acorns, in holes drilled into tree trunks or wooden structures. Red cockaded woodpecker. The red cockaded woodpecker is a small, endangered woodpecker found in the southeastern United States. It has black and white stripes on its back, and a white cheek patch. Males have a tiny red streak on the side of the head, but it's often hard to see. It lives in old pine forests, especially longleaf pine. It makes nest cavities in living pine trees, which is unusual for woodpeckers. Loss of old pine forests has made this species rare and protected. American three-toed woodpecker. The American three-toed woodpecker is a small woodpecker found in northern forests of the United States and Canada. It is named for having only 3 toes, instead of the usual 4, which helps it cling tightly to tree trunks. This bird feeds mainly on insects living under the bark, especially in trees damaged by fire or disease. Its black and white plumage and yellow crown make it easy to identify by removing bark-boring insects. European green woodpecker. The European green woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker found across Europe. It is easily recognized by its green body, yellow rump, and red cap. Unlike many woodpeckers that drum frequently on trees, this species spends more time on the ground, where it feeds mainly on ants using its long, sticky tongue. It nests in tree cavities and has a loud, laughing call often described as a yiffle. Northern flicker. The northern flicker is a large, ground-feeding woodpecker, recognized for its striking plumage and loud, ringing calls. Unlike most woodpeckers, it often feeds on the ground, especially for ants, its favorite food. They excavate nest cavities in dead or decaying trees. Females lay 5 to 8 eggs, and both parents incubate and feed the chicks. Great spotted woodpecker. The great spotted woodpecker is a common and widespread woodpecker, found across Europe and parts of Asia. It has striking black and white plumage, with a bright red patch under its tail, and males also have a red spot on the back of the head. This bird is known for its loud, rapid drumming on tree trunks, which it uses to communicate and mark territory. Middle spotted woodpeckers. The middle spotted woodpecker is a small, colorful woodpecker found mainly in Europe, especially in old oak and mixed forests. It has a red cap on its head, black and white wings, and a pale body. Its call is a soft, high-pitched kick sound. It does not drum as much as other woodpeckers. Unlike many other woodpeckers, it has a weaker bill, so it mostly eats insects from soft bark, along with fruit and seeds. Yellow-crowned woodpecker. The yellow-crowned woodpecker is a small woodpecker found mainly in India, Nepal, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. It gets its name from the yellow patch on the top of the male's head. This bird feeds on insects, especially ants and beetles, which it finds by pecking at tree bark. It lives in open forests, gardens, and farmlands, and is known for its quick, sharp drumming on branches. Red-naped sapsucker. The red-naped sapsucker is a small woodpecker found in the western United States and parts of Canada. It has a distinctive red patch on the back of its neck, along with black, white, and yellow markings. This species drills neat rows of holes in trees to drink sap and eat insects attracted to it. Sapsuckers live in mixed forests and often migrate to warmer areas in winter. Arizona woodpecker. The Arizona woodpecker is a small woodpecker found in the oak and pine forests of southern Arizona, New Mexico, and northern Mexico. Unlike many woodpeckers, it has mostly brown and white plumage, instead of black and white. It forages by climbing along branches and tree trunks, searching for insects hidden under the bark. This species is known for its quiet behavior, and preference for mountain canyons and shady woodlands. Magellanic woodpecker. The Magellanic woodpecker is one of the largest woodpeckers in South America. It lives in the southern forests of Chile and Argentina, especially Patagonia. Males have a bright red head, while females are mostly black with a red patch around the bill. It's an iconic species as, sometimes compared to the pileated woodpecker of North America. They prefer old-growth forests with large dead trees, where they search for insects like beetle larvae. They are strong, loud drummers and often travel in family groups. Gila woodpecker. The Gila woodpecker is a desert specialist, found in the arid landscapes of the southwestern United States and Mexico. Often seen clinging to saguaro cacti, this species plays an essential role in the Sonoran desert ecosystem, both as an insect controller and as a cavity maker for other desert animals. They drill cavities in saguaro cacti or dead trees. The female lays 3 to 5 white eggs, and both parents share incubation and chick rearing responsibilities. Yellow-bellied Sapsucker. The yellow-bellied sapsucker is a migratory woodpecker, known for its neat rows of small holes in tree bark for sap harvesting. It feeds on tree sap, insects, fruits, and ants. The species excavates cavities in live deciduous trees, with females laying 4 to 6 eggs. It breeds in Canada and the northeastern U.S., winters in the southeastern U.S., Mexico, and Central America, and is often seen in migration. Black-backed woodpecker. The black-backed woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker found in northern North America, especially in burned or recently fire-damaged forests. It has a solid black back that helps it blend into charred trees. This species feeds mainly on wood-boring beetle larvae that live in dead or burned wood. Because it prefers post-fire habitats, it is an important indicator of healthy forest recovery. Golden-fronted woodpecker. The golden-fronted woodpecker is a medium-sized woodpecker found mainly in Texas, Mexico, and Central America. It gets its name from the bright yellow or golden patch on its forehead, and the yellow nape on the back of its neck. They are often seen in open woodlands, parks, and farmland, where they drum on trees, and create nesting holes in dead wood. White-headed woodpecker. The white-headed woodpecker is a unique species, found in mountainous western U.S. mountain pine forests, characterized by its striking white head, and mostly black body. It feeds on pine seeds, beetles, and ants, and is skilled at prying open large pine cones and flaking bark. Nests are made in dead pine trees, clutches usually contain 3 to 5 eggs. Rufous-bellied woodpecker. The rufous-bellied woodpecker is a striking bird, found in parts of South and Southeast Asia. Its rich reddish underparts, and bold black and white upper body, make it one of the most colorful woodpeckers in its range. Nest cavities are dug into softwood or partially decayed trees. Clutches typically contain 3 to 5 eggs. Both parents share in nesting duties. Gray-headed woodpecker. The gray-headed woodpecker is a slender, greenish woodpecker, found across parts of Europe and Asia. It closely resembles the green woodpecker, but can be distinguished by its gray head, and more reserved behavior. Nests in tree cavities, often in dead or decaying trunks. Clutch size ranges from 5 to 7 eggs. Both sexes participate in nest excavation and chick rearing. Black-rumped flameback. The black-rumped flameback, also known as the lesser golden-backed woodpecker, is a vibrant and noisy species, found throughout the Indian subcontinent. Its golden wings, red crest, and striking black markings, make it one of the most colorful woodpeckers in Asia. Nests in tree cavities excavated in deadwood or soft trees. The female lays 2 to 4 eggs. Nuttall's woodpecker. Nuttall's woodpecker is a small woodpecker found mainly in California and parts of Baja Mexico. It lives in oak woodlands, and is often seen climbing tree trunks searching for insects. The male has a red patch on the back of the head, while the female does not. Nests in tree cavities, especially in dead branches. Lays 3 to 6 eggs. Both sexes participate in nesting duties. This species is known for its quick drumming sounds, and plays an important role in controlling insect populations in its habitat. Williamson sapsucker. Williamson sapsucker is a medium-sized woodpecker, found mainly in the mountain forests of western North America. Males and females look very different. Males are mostly black with a bright white wing patch, while females are brown and heavily barred. They prefer conifer forests, and play an important role in forest ecosystems, by helping other animals access sap from the holes they create. Ivory-billed woodpecker. The ivory-billed woodpecker is a very large woodpecker native to the southeastern United States and Cuba. It is famous for its striking black and white plumage, and its long, pale ivory bill. The male has a bright red crest, while the female has a black crest. The most famous confirmed photos are from the 1930s and 1940s. They are black and white and grainy. There are no clear modern photographs or videos because the bird is extremely shy. It lives in dense, swampy forests that are hard to access. Due to massive habitat loss and hunting, it is considered possibly extinct. Black woodpecker. The black woodpecker is the largest woodpecker in Europe and parts of Asia. It has an entirely black body and a striking red crown, full red on males and a smaller red patch on females. This powerful bird uses its strong beak to excavate large holes in tree trunks, while searching for ants and wood-boring insects, its main food. Its loud drumming and distinctive, ringing calls make it easy to recognize in forests. This bird's nesting cavities are important for many other species, making it a key contributor to forest ecosystems. Imperial woodpecker. The imperial woodpecker was the largest woodpecker in the world, native to the pine forests of northern Mexico. It could reach up to 60 centimeters in length. It had a striking appearance, mostly black with large white wing patches, and a tall red crest, on males. The species depended on large, old-growth forests, feeding mainly on beetle larvae in dead trees. Due to habitat loss and hunting, it is now considered possibly extinct, with the last confirmed sightings in the 1950s. Thanks for watching. See you on next video.